Today we're making the Ayurvedic 3-seed tea called CCF. Cumin seed, coriander seed, and fennel seed make up this beautiful, savory, and golden tea. It has a rich, nutty flavor and smells amazing, and is both grounding and nourishing. In an Ayurvedic cleanse, this tea is gently detoxifying to the body. So whether you're actively cleansing or just looking to maintain health, this tea is the way to go. In a small pot, you'll want to combine 2 teaspoons of CCF tea with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and let simmer for 5 minutes. For a stronger tea, you can let simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, strain, and serve. CCF is a great tea for digestive support, also offering detox digest, joyful heart, and mellow mind. We hope you enjoy the many benefits of CCF tea.